Hey, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to JCZ Crafting Vlogs and more. Here I am going to share my Amazon haul. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, this is just a little vlog of my shopping that I did on Amazon and during a 2-day sale, which was Monday the 7th, October 7th. And so I brought some more grow sponges here. This has 100. So I brought a seed storage because I'm going to need it. You can store up to 64 different types of seeds in this container here. I brought a portable heater and slash fan so that, once stuff start growing, your garden does wonders with a little breeze going through. And here I brought a culinary herb and edible flower seed pack. It's 30 in there. Okay, just to show y'all what's all in here. I'll open up the pack later and show y'all what is in here. Okay, so that's that. We got lots of action, y'all. Lots of action. I'm excited. Okay, I brought some more seeds. It's lettuce. Different types of greens that's in here. I'll show you all that's in there too. I got me a pH meter. Okay. Love it, love it, love it. I got me some more Arrow Garden liquid plant food. And I brought me a herb saver keeper. Okay. Yes. So you put the water in there, close it up, put your herbs and stuff inside there. As you can see, it's different kind of lettuce. You got arugula, spinach, lettuce, black seeded, Simpson, which I'm already planted. Okay, green towers, romaine. All right, arugula, I said, pirate lettuce. You got the wine density, winter density. I want some wine. That's what I'm thinking about. Sandy lettuce, rainbow blend chard. Okay, dark Lola Rosa. And kale. Lacinato, kale. All right. Now this came with loads of seeds, y'all. You got tarragon, thyme, winter time. I'm really getting into the herbs now, y'all. Okay, so that's why I wanted a separate machine so I can just do all the herbs. This is a lot. When I tell y'all it's a lot, let me spread it out. Oh, when I tell you they got everything in here, look. So my daughters are highly, okay, into the herbal teas and natural herbs and things of that nature. Like they're into like natural medicine and stuff. So that's why I got this seed kit, okay? Because it came with so many great herbs that you can use for health wise, immune system and stomach issues and stuff. So this is going to be a great, great, great growing experience. Okay, I'm no expert, but my daughters have helped me along the way, letting me know what is good, what's not good, and I can't wait to see my older daughter explore some of these herbs that I got, herbs and vegetables and stuff. Mm-hmm. If you tried this company before, let me know in the comment section, y'all. And no, I am not a paid promoter for any of these items I'm showing. But if you want me to, hit me up. I do have some other stuff that I ordered, but it won't be here until tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm excited because I got me another stand, okay? Because I need it. And then it's two more that I didn't. These two. Thai basil and Italian basil. And then it comes with a small little garden tool set. Ain't that cute? A little gift. Lots of love. Thank you. That was so nice of them. That puts a nice touch to, your purchase. Organo Republic. Nice. See the tool sets? So I know for sure this is a tweezer. Okay. This says that is a seed distributor tool. See that? This right here. Okay. And then you have the weeding fork and wigger tool. And then the leaf clippers. Ain't that nice? That was a nice gift. Okay, so that is my haul, and I saved the best for last. Be right back. Well, last but not least. And start putting my seeds in here. Let me open it up. Let's open it up. You got the labels in the back, so I can label what each one is. Okay, so it holds 64. It has 64 containers in here, so you can store up to 64 different variety of seeds. Okay, and as you can see, it has labels in there, and I may need more or probably not. They probably supply enough, but I can make my own, so I can put on here. So as you can see, got plenty of these. And as you've seen, I have a lot of seeds, so these are going to come in handy. Definitely going to need them. This is what they look like. And open it up. Go ahead and store your seeds in there, as you can see there. So I'm definitely going to need them. You see, I have a lot of seeds going on. So, and that was just the load that I just purchased, because if you've seen my other videos, I have other seeds to plant. So this is going to come in handy. And please, if you are a gardener, how do you store your seeds? Like you see, I have seeds from different places. So, and then do you separate the different companies that you buy the seeds from? Because you have duplicates like of lettuce, the same ones, but just from different companies. Do you separate the companies, or do you just put all of the like seeds in one all together? I'm thinking maybe I should separate it, so that way I'll know which company's seeds works the best. And especially if some of the seeds are small. And also, please, plants grow smaller than the larger ones. I'm still trying to learn which seeds to buy for my hydroponic systems, okay? So if you can help me and leave me a tip, I would truly appreciate it for those two things. I'm still learning. I did get some Kindle books for gardening that I downloaded to my Kindle. so I can read up on, gardening, because I really want to learn, and I don't want to screw up and waste seeds, because some of these seeds can get pricey, as I see. And what are some of your favorite companies, okay, that you get your seeds from? So, anywho, let's move on to the last product, which is the last one, okay? And this is the best. You save the best for last. So, be right back. All right, this is the big one, the Arrow Garden Bounty Elite. Yes, y'all, open up the box. It says get ready to enjoy. And baby, I'm going to enjoy this. So you have another seed kit. It is the gourmet herb seed kit, and then you have the instructions in the box. I'm gonna do the unboxing later. I just wanted you to see that I did go get this. Amazon had an amazing sale for the 2 days this week, Monday and Tuesday, and I enjoyed it. You got the charger there. So yeah, I can't wait to set this up and plant some seeds. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you, and if you could please thumbs it up and share me out, I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.